Hello everyone, I'm Andrea Pichidi, a market analyst here in Hot Forex, and I would like to welcome you to our afternoon session. So, as you mentioned this morning, it's a dollar bid day, and this remains the case so far today. So we have seen that the new round of trade talks, this time in Beijing and not in Washington like last week, it gave some hopes in the market, a fresh optimism regarding the trade talks process, even though today is a low level talks. Low-level officials are proceeding in the trade talks today. The higher principal level of talks will take place in Thursday and Friday. So take care by the end of the week, since we will have news from higher principal officials regarding trade talks. So we have seen dollar gaining across all the major currencies. Euro dollar break below 113 currently, quite high, quite close to it, but the next real support for our pair stands at this area over here, 112.80. While this is quite a good support, it's been a good support since November. So on the break of 112.80 level, we might see a retest of 112.60, and on a decisive break below that, we might see the retest of this area over here, the low level of November, 112.20, around that. So that's the daily chart, but the hourly chart is clear. That's a decisive bearish hourly candle. Pretty much the same picture stands on dollar yen. Yen declines against dollar. This also the fact that China is on holidays helps dollar yen moving further to the upside. Immediate resistance still stands on 110.40. The next one, I have added a Fibonacci extension over here. It's up here at 110.60. Next real support after that, on the break of this resistance, next resistance area is at 200-day moving average, 111. Around area, key area to be watched. If it breach, we might face major gains. Cable on the other side, further to the downside, it seems pound is declining, especially after the disappointing data we have seen this morning, the GDP number, the manufacturing and industrial production, lower than expected, again highlighting a slowing of economy in Europe, in UK and globally as well. Next real support, 128.60, but pretty much it should be on Thursday's low over here, 128.50 area. Also, dollar strength is what actually moved and weighs on commodities, on the commodity market. Oil break $52, currently 51.40, break all the supports of the day, and the next real support for oil stands on the around 51 area. Level to be watched, a significant support level. The same picture stands on gold. A sharp decline this so far today, trying to recover a bit. The last hour, the US Open, but remains on its downside, remains up below all the moving averages in our chart, below the pivot point and the first support. So it needs to sustain this 1304 area in order to claim for a rebound, but more precisely, we could claim for a rebound only if we see a closing today. Sorry for this mess. A closing today back at these areas, back above 1310, which was our pivot point. Pivot point was up to 1312, but it needs to retrace, it needs to reverse at least the mid of this bearish candle. So it might be around here on 1310. So that was so far from us. Thank you for watching. Hope you're having a great trading for the rest of the day. So take care. We have a lot of uncertainties in the market. We have a potential shutdown, the risk of the potential shutdown in the US. We have trade talks. Any kind of news from trade talks will likely to add volatility in the market. And earnings season continues. So take care, have a great trading for the rest of the day, and see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye.